How to turn off repost of photos and reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll find different options. Simply scroll down and click on sharing and reuse. After you've clicked on sharing and reuse, here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now, simply press on repost on post and reels and turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off repost of photos and reels on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.